RenderForest.com.
Good morning. Tim here with Tim's Daily Inspiration and Affirmations. I always want to call it aspirations. Every time I type out affirmations, I type out aspirations. I have to go fix it. I probably already posted it a couple times as aspirations, but aspirations are good too. It's early morning on Monday morning, the 13th of February. And if you're in Maine, I'm in the Augusta area, and we're experiencing a snowstorm right now of pretty epic proportions. So my advice would be, if you're waking up this morning, checking your phone, you probably already checked the weather or turned on the weather, but bad, really bad. Lots of snow out there. It's piled up. I don't know. We might have a foot already or close to it. It's just going to get worse as the day goes on. It's going to get windier and snowier. I know I'm going off topic, but I want to encourage you to be safe today under some conditions that might be very unsafe if you were to get out in them and find yourself in a compromising situation. I understand some people have to get to work no matter what, but you know what? This is one of those once in a season or two type of storms, and sometimes you just can't do it. It's just impassable. The roads are just completely impassable. You cannot do it. So I want to encourage you to be safe. Consider your safety first before whatever obligation you feel like absolutely cannot be missed. I understand there's roles in hospitals and etc. But please be safe. And if you get to spend some time away from work today, like I said yesterday in the video, once you do your chores, you feel like you have to do, if you feel like you have to do them, have some fun, man. Enjoy yourself, kick back, relax, get some rest, have some fun, play with the kids, read a good book. I had a lot of good suggestions online yesterday when I posted a question about it. A lot of people were saying, I want to play board games with my kids, or I want to finish that book I started, or I want to work on a project I've been meaning to get back to. So anyway, I'm going to cut this short because it's already gone too long. But again, Snowmageddon outside. Be safe. Know that you are loved and you are valued, and your life is very valuable. So please protect it today. And with that said, we will talk to you tomorrow.